Anti-cancer foods that can help protect your body. Cancer is one of the world's deadliest diseases. But what if some of the foods in your kitchen could help your body fight back? Scientists have discovered that certain foods contain powerful compounds that may reduce inflammation, strengthen immunity, and even slow the growth of cancer cells. While no food can guarantee prevention or cure cancer, eating healthier may lower your risk and protect your body over time. Today, we'll explore some of the most powerful anti-cancer foods backed by science. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are called cruciferous vegetables. These vegetables contain natural compounds like sulforaphane that may help the body remove harmful toxins and protect cells from damage. Research suggests they may help reduce the risk of cancers including colon, breast, and prostate cancer. Adding steamed or lightly cooked broccoli to your meals a few times a week can be a smart step toward better health. 2. Tomatoes and lycopene. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their bright red color. Studies have linked lycopene with a lower risk of prostate cancer and heart disease. Interestingly, cooked tomatoes may provide even more lycopene than raw ones. Tomato soup, pasta sauce, and fresh salads can all be delicious ways to add this powerful food into your diet. 3. Berries full of antioxidants. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants. These natural compounds help fight oxidative stress, one of the major causes of cellular damage. Berries also contain vitamins, fiber, and plant nutrients that support overall health. A simple bowl of mixed berries can become one of the healthiest snacks you eat. 4. Garlic and onion power. Garlic and onions contain sulfur compounds that may help strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest garlic consumption may be linked with lower risks of stomach and digestive cancers. For centuries, garlic has been used in traditional medicine around the world, and modern science continues to explore its powerful health benefits. 5. Fatty fish and omega-3. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 south may help reduce chronic inflammation inside the body. Since inflammation is linked to many diseases, including cancer, eating healthy fish may support long-term wellness. Experts often recommend eating fish at least twice a week as part of a balanced diet. 6. Green tea protection. Green tea contains natural antioxidants called catechins. Researchers believe these compounds may help protect cells from damage and slow abnormal cell growth. Green tea has been studied for its possible role in lowering the risk of several cancers. Replacing sugary drinks with green tea can be a simple healthy habit. 7. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds provide healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Some studies suggest nuts may support heart health and reduce inflammation. Flax seeds are especially rich in lignans, plant compounds, being studied for possible anti-cancer effects. A small handful of nuts each day can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Foods that increase cancer risk. Just as some foods may help protect your body, others may increase health risks. Highly processed foods, excessive sugar, smoking, heavy alcohol use, and processed meats have been linked to higher cancer risks. Health experts recommend focusing on whole foods, fresh vegetables, fruits, and balanced nutrition. Small daily choices can make a big difference over time. The fight against cancer doesn't begin in hospitals alone. It also begins in our kitchens, grocery stores, and daily habits. Eating more natural, nutrient-rich foods may help strengthen your body and improve long-term health. Remember, no single food is a miracle cure, but combining healthy eating, regular exercise, avoiding smoking, reducing alcohol, and getting regular medical checkups can greatly improve your overall wellness. Your health is built one meal at a time. Start small, stay consistent, and give your body the care it deserves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about healthy living. And let us know in the comments, which healthy food do you eat the most? Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.